Have you ever looked at your natural hair and thought, why is my hair refusing to grow? Or maybe every wash day leaves your bathroom floor looking like your hair decided to pack up and leave. You have tried oils, you have tried protective styles, you have tried every hair growth hack on the internet, but your hair still feels dry, weak, thin, and keeps breaking. Sis, your hair may not have a growth problem, it may have a damage problem. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to grow out damaged natural hair, especially if you have falsy hair. Because yes, damaged hair can recover to a healthy state with the right care, and your new growth can thrive. If you are serious about finding healthy hair and not just chasing length, hit that subscribe button because this community is all about growing healthy natural hair together. Section number 1. Your hair is already growing. This is a common fact. One of the biggest misconceptions is thinking my hair doesn't grow. Actually, your scalp is growing hair every month. On average, hair grows about 1 to 5 cm every month. The real question is, can your hair keep that length? Imagine pouring water into a bucket with hose. No matter how much water you pour in, the bucket never fills. That's exactly what damaged hair does. Your hair grows, but it breaks at the same rate, so it looks like nothing is happening. That's why healthy hair is more important than fast-growing hair. Section number 2. What damages natural hair? Let's talk honestly. Most of us damage our hair without even realizing it. Here are some common causes. Heat damage, using flat irons every week, blow drying on a very high heat without using a heat protectant, chemical damage, relaxers, harsh dyes, bleaching your hair, texturizers. This one that you people mistook as natural hair relaxer. It damages your hair. These things weaken the hair structure over time. Mechanical damage, pulling knots roughly, detangling dry hair, using tiny combs, tight hairstyles, sleeping without protecting your hair, moisture neglect, going weeks without washing your hair, never deep conditioning, not moisturizing your hair, dry hair breaks easily, products build up, heavy oils, grease, too much gel, dirty scalp. If your scalp isn't clean, healthy hair has harder time thriving. Section number 3. Can damaged hair be repaired? Let's clear up something. Once the hair strand is severely damaged, you cannot permanently repair it. Hair is made up of dead cells. You can't heal dead cells. What you can do is reduce further damage, improve the condition of your hair, strengthen weak strands, protect new healthy growth. Eventually, you will trim away that damaged parts while your healthy hair replaces them. Section number 4, which is my 7-step plan for growing out damaged falsy hair. Step number 1, start with a trim. I know, nobody likes hearing this, but damaged split ends keep splitting upward. Holding on to damaged ends only delays progress. A small tiny trim today saves inches tomorrow. Step number 2, keep your scalp clean. Healthy hair begins with a healthy scalp. Wash your hair every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on your lifestyle. Use a gentle shampoo that cleans without stripping your hair completely. Step number 3, deep condition consistently. Your hair needs moisture, especially damaged hair. Deep condition every wash day. This improves softness, elasticity, manageability, and less breakage. Step number 4, moisturize correctly. Stop applying products to dry hair. Moisturize on damp hair. Water first or your herbal tea. Leave-in conditioner, then seal in with butter or oil. This helps keep moisture inside your strand for a longer period of time. Step 4, Handle your hair gently. Finger the tangle first before using a white tooth comb. Take your time. Your hair is not in any competition with anybody's hair. Gentle handling prevents unnecessary breakage. Step number 6, protective styles. Protect your hair the right way. Protective styles should protect. Protective styles should protect, not punish your hair. Avoid extremely tight braids. Avoid leaving styles in for months. Give your scalp room to breathe. I just watched a video where someone was taking down 4 years protective styles. Like, I don't understand. Step 7, be patient. Hair recovery takes time, not 7 days, not 2 weeks, sometimes several months. Healthy hair is built through consistency, not miracles. Okay, section number 5. What I wish more women knew. You don't need 25 products. You don't need every trending oil. You don't need expensive treatment. What you need is consistency. I keep saying this. What you need is consistency, good hair practices. Just wash your hair, condition your hair, moisturize your hair, protect it, then repeat the process. That's the secret. Simple routine done consistently beats complicated routines done once in a while. Section number 6. Signs your hair is recovering. Here is how you will know your routine is working. Less hair left in your comb, softer strand, easier detangling, fewer split ends, better moisture retention, more thickness over time, gradual length retention. You start seeing results small. Progress isn't always dramatic. Sometimes it's simply noticing that your hair no longer snaps every time you touch it. Celebrate those small wins, they add up. Growing out damaged natural hair isn't about finding one magical product. It's about creating healthy habits that your hair can rely on. Every wash day, every moisturizing section, every gentle detangling routine. Those little moments are what leads to big results. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think caused the most damage to your hair? Was it heat, tight braids, skipping wash days, or simply not knowing what your hair needed? Share your story in the comments. This is a judgment-free community where we learn from one another. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with another natural hair queen who is trying to nurse her hair back to health. Remember, your hair journey is unique. Stay consistent, be patient, and give your hair the care it deserves. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.